Hi everyone, this is a special message for my distance learners. I just wanted to remind you about an opportunity. I think I told you in an earlier video around the beginning of the school year, but it's been a while. So if you go to your math course in Schoology, whether it be the pre-algebra course or the Algebra 1 course that I have, it's always going to look the same when you open it up. There's going to be a slide here that tells you what the agenda is for the day. But if you just scroll down a little bit here, there's a link. It says optional Google Meet opportunities for distance learners. So if I click on it, it's going to bring me to this page. All right. On this page here, you're going to see that you can join by clicking the link right here. This opportunity is every Tuesday and Thursday during the last 20 minutes of your math class. So you're going to go to the schedule right here and figure out which hour you have math, and then you'll notice that the time here is the last 20 minutes of class. So if you have a question that you can't wait till Friday to ask, because Friday there's always a Google Meet link on the agenda, but if you need to ask something prior to that, on Tuesdays and Thursdays during these times, so find your math class, then just click the link and it's going to pull up a Google Meet. And then there, I will be available for you to ask a question of. Okay, now I can't promise that I'll be able to answer all of your questions, but it's just an opportunity for us to touch base throughout the week so we don't have to wait until Friday. So just wanted to give you a little reminder about this opportunity. It's completely optional. You don't have to do it, but it's available. That's just Tuesdays and Thursdays. All right, you guys, thank you for joining me. Have a good day.